Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we'll explain how to use the SmartMike Plus for audio and video recordings, as well as live streaming or broadcast. So let's go. SmartMike Plus supports two connection methods, Bluetooth connection and TR mode connection. Most features of this product are only available on the SmartMike Plus app. You can find it in the Apple Store or mainstream stores of Android devices. There is no distinct difference between SmartMike Plus and other Bluetooth devices when connecting for the first time. Just press and hold the power key until it turns on. When on, the indicator light will flash rapidly in blue. Look for the new SmartMike Plus device on your phone's Bluetooth list and click to connect. Good thing no password is required. After connecting Bluetooth successfully with your mobile phone, the indicator light will flash slowly in blue and it can be used now. It is important to note that whenever SmartMike is turned on, it will automatically connect to the last used mobile phone. If you want to connect to a new mobile phone, please turn off the Bluetooth of the last connected mobile phone. Now let's take a look at the main interface of the app. When the Bluetooth connection is successful, you can see the SmartMike Plus icon at the top. Now you know how to connect and start using the SmartMike Plus. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact support@SABINETEK.com. Thanks for watching.